Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you to write about sports and games using longer sentences with time and place. This is for pre-intermediate or Certificate 1 English students. Sports and games with the verb play. First, here are some sports: basketball, football, tennis, games, video games. Use the present simple to talk or write about sports you do regularly, sports you do every day or every week or every month regularly. For longer sentences, write when and where. So we have three simple sentences. We are going to write longer sentences now. So first we're going to say when. So on Saturdays I play basketball, and then we're going to add where. At school. Another example. So when do we play video games? After school we play video games, and where? In my room. Another example for you. When? Every weekend I play tennis at the sports club. For better writing, we can put sentences into paragraphs, groups of sentences. So example for you. After school I do my homework, and then I play video games with my brother. We can add another sentence after this one to make a paragraph. On the weekends I play football with my friends in the park. I can then add a second paragraph about what my family does, my brother, my sister. So here's an example for you. In summer we play tennis and then go swimming at the beach. My parents sometimes play cards with their friends. Practice writing sentences with time and place for longer writing, and group your sentences into paragraphs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.